Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a moving background to your video in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to open the project I have just created in CapCut, and I'm going to add moving background to this video. We can go to the effect menu and select body effect, and in this body effect you can scroll all the way to the right around here and go to the hallucination effect. Okay, and here you'll be able to choose a moving background, and for example I'm going to select this one because this one is free. If you are a premium user, you can choose this one maybe, or this one. And since I'm free user, so I'm gonna select this one, and we can customize the effect. Just click on adjust and you can adjust the color and then intensity and also the glow effect. And once you're done, you can click on the check mark and you can make the effect align with your video like this, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add a moving background to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.